Hello, in this video I would like to show you how to upgrade this 15-inch screen from its original LED strip to our SB series, which is SB44 series LED strips, and it comes with one LED strip, one driver, and one 6-pin pigtail connectors. Let's set aside this LED kit aside. Take a look at the screen. So it's G150XG01 version 2. Version 2 already has LED. This is LED connectors. This LED, it's using the external drivers. I have the original external driver here. Let's take a look at what's the brightness, because based on each data sheet, I have a data sheet here I just printed out. It has a 355 nits. So let's connect it. I have a controller board here that already hooked up. So then we're gonna try to take a look first, and we also have our own LED driver that can drive each original LED strip. Do a comparison. Then the last we're gonna do the installation of SB series. So I have connected an original driver for a AUO electronic here, and our controller boards, and then we're gonna flick over. Test it, its original nits. I have my meter here. Let me switch this safe so that way you can see it. Hopefully you can see it. Okay. So I'm gonna just connect the power. So on it, remember on it says 350 on the data sheets. But let's take a look. Fire up my meters. 398 nits it shows. See this? In the center. So pretty much correct, because it says typical 350, so the maximum might be more. So that's pretty accurate. And then I mentioned that we also have our own driver here that's for this particular screen. So let's see what happens when we're using our own drivers. I'm going to disconnect. Alright, using our driver is custom built for this particular screen. It's one end connected here. Okay, the other end I have these wires here. So connect to our LED drivers. Let's see the difference. Any so let's take a look. 564, 562, 566. So if you simply just using our driver, you get about 100 or 150 nits more. And the next we're gonna try to replace with upgrade our SB LED kit and see the difference. In order to upgrade to our SB series, it's quite simple. And there's a screw here that holding the reflector, small Phillips. After we unscrew it, we just slide out and slice our LED back. That's it. Okay, so take it out and use the trigger to just move. Okay, you can do it like this. See that? Take it out. This is the original LED. Okay, this is our LED kit. Okay, so basically you don't even need to peel off the back, just slice right back. Exactly. And then you can add a piece of tape here to secure the wires. And then let's connect to our drivers, controller boards. See the difference. And here we go. We're gonna flick over just like that, and then we're gonna connect the signal here. Okay, let me see my meters here. Okay, so let's connect the power to it. Fire up the generator first. Okay, then we can connect the power to see. Alright, fire up the meters. 1323, 1292, 1291. So almost so upgrade to our SB series, you can get anywhere between 1200 to about 1400 in between, depends on screen condition. This is the old screen, so yes, see how easy it is. Thank you for watching.